So for us, design stage begins, and then you have 3 major softwares that we're using. And all the team members are very proficient with them. So the fact that everybody understands everything that goes into design makes a huge difference down the road.
Basically, it's not completely see-through, so it has a better aesthetic. It doesn't reveal everything behind, but it's not as closed as frosted. So it gives a nicer appearance, especially when it's lit inside like it is here.
Hopefully, today we finish. Son. Yeah, it was a long 5 days. But hey, what are you gonna do? It's looking really good. So at least we have that. The material is 3/4 of an inch for the boxes. And it's not the standard that we use. We use 5/8. I just realized that the inside is a little bit smaller than usual by 1/8 on each side. So I have 1/4 inch less play to adjust the doors. And it worked on this wall, but now I just started with that one, and I think there might be a problem. Because you see, those 2 doors have to be exactly the width of this door. And they are not by a 32nd. And I ain't got no more play. I'm going to have to shave the back of the plates. I can't wait. Because the plate sticks out from the cabinet by a 32nd. In between both of them is a 32nd of an inch more inwards than what I would need to align perfectly those 2 doors with this one long one. See? These are the plates that we're using, and they come in a multitude of thicknesses. See, like this is the 0 depth plate, that's what they call it. And then you have something that's a 1/4 inch plate. And then you have something else that's 1/2 inch plate. So you see how they're all different heights. Therefore, when this is on the inside of the cabinet, the thicker the plate, the more it pushes the door towards the inside of the cabinet. Right now, I'm using the 0 plate, so this is the thinnest one that I could use. But it has a little bit of thickness here. So out of this now, I'm gonna have to, on a belt sander, shave a 1/64 of an inch on on all 4 plates actually, so that I can push both doors a combined 32nd of an inch, so that those 2 doors line up perfectly with this door. Yay for me! I take the plate off. I've never done this before, but I just know that I need this to be less thick. I'm gonna go and compare it to a regular one. How much I shaved from the back. And it still holds, it still has the hooks. You know, I'm just gonna go a little bit more. I took off, what is it? Look at this, a 1/16 of an inch. Phooey! And the problem, whatever, what I have to be careful with is that I still keep the hook that has the whatever stainless steel looking part attached to the aluminum looking part. And I got it. It's so little, but it makes a huge difference. When your cabinets are off by a 32nd of an inch, the door alignment, it shows. And I'm like, why didn't you adjust it properly? Oh no, because I couldn't anymore. Well, I couldn't either. But guess what? Now I can. I hope.
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can. We can do it all night long. Watch it. Now the door's not gonna go in anymore because I made the plate too thin. You're gonna see me cry on camera.
Fix the plate.
Yep. With a sand bell. Hey!
Maybe we're
Whoa! Look at that. This was almost touching. Look how much it is right now. Because 1/16 of an inch there translates into, what is this, like 3/16 at the other end. So now, where's my... You see? Luigi, do this from now on when you don't have adjustment on plates anymore. This is really cool. I'm so happy. It's like it's Christmas all over again.